Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to wirelessly charge your Samsung Galaxy J3. It's just as simple. Just stick it on a wireless charger. And voila, that's it. Just kidding, it's not that simple. It does take a little bit of work. A special accessory you will need to purchase to make this possible. It is this little device that you are going to put right behind your battery. It looks like this. It's a wireless Qi receiver, and basically you're just going to take it and just put it right on top of the battery, and you want to leave just a little bit of slack for yourself, because here's the thing, sometimes you're going to want a wireless charge and sometimes you're just going to want to use a traditional charger. So if you leave just a little bit of slack, you'll be able to unplug it and plug in a traditional charger, okay? And then when you want a wireless charge, you'll have that little piece that you can just pop right in, and then you can put it on a wireless charger. So it gives you some versatility, and I like it because there was a time where I was using not this phone, but a different Galaxy phone, and I just wanted it so bad to wireless charge. It was such a great phone. I was like, man, the one thing this is missing is just wireless charging capabilities. I found this little device online, and boom, now I can wirelessly charge it anywhere. So, oh, maybe I didn't tuck it in the right way. So anyway, this little device is available on Amazon, and it's like under 20 bucks. I want to say it's like maybe 12, 15 bucks. You're going to have to click on the Amazon affiliate link in the description. Click on that link, order one, and guess what? You will be wirelessly charging your Samsung Galaxy J3 in no time. That's it, guys. Super simple. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and more cool stuff. Take care and have a good one.